Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to listen to a voicemail on your iPhone. So let's get started. So if you recently got a voicemail, first thing you want to do is go ahead and tap on the phone app itself. Now you're going to be in one of these navigation, and if you have received a voicemail on your iPhone, you're going to see there's a number here. Depending on if it's a new one, it's going to show a notification. Simply tap on it, and now in order to listen to it, you click on it right here and it's going to open up. Sometimes you may see a transcription there already where you can look at it, but if it doesn't, you could also click on play here, right, and then you can put the volume up. Hey man, this is example. As you can see here, it's a recording here, and you'll be able to play that back. And if you want to call them, you can call them back, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it as here. And that's pretty much the way you can listen to any voicemail on your iPhone. If you received a voicemail, it's going to show up right there for you. And if you have multiple ones, you can see it on the list as well, the timestamp and how long that voicemail is. So that's how you listen to voicemail on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.